guys, and thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a decorate with me. We recently just got our bathrooms renovated, and I am so excited that that process is finally done, and now it's on to the fun part, which is decorating. So I actually ran over to Home Goods and picked up a couple of things, and I think I might have gotten a thing or two from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. So I wanted to show you guys how I decorated our bathroom. It is on the smaller side, so I really was going for a light and bright and airy type of feel so that it wouldn't make the room seem a bit smaller or smaller than it even is. So I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nia, and I create videos everywhere from mommyhood to lifestyle and even home decor videos. So I would love to have you guys subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. So I start off by removing our old shower curtain liner as well as the shower hooks, and I found this gorgeous shower curtain from Home Goods that I wanted to put up, and I will show you guys what it looks like. It's actually a DKNY sheer shower curtain that has these really cute puffs all over it, and I instantly fell in love. So this is what I'm going to be replacing our old shower curtain with. And then I also found these jeweled kind of hooks also from Home Goods as well. So that's what I'm going to be installing right now. The next thing I decided to replace was our old bath mat, and I found this double mat from Home Goods as well, and it's this really nice gray and white toned bath mat, and I wasn't really sure if I was going to be able to put both of them in the bathroom because it's a smaller bathroom, but they both fit really nice. So as you can see, the bigger mat doesn't overpower the whole entire room, and I think it looks really nice with the shower curtain. And then for the smaller one, I was thinking about putting it in front of our vanity for the sink. So I'm gonna try it out for right now, but if I decide that I don't really care for it, or if it gets stuck with opening and closing the door, which it doesn't seem to do that, I think it will be a nice added touch. As soon as we got our bathroom finished, I knew I wanted to change out our mirror. So I found this mirrorless one, I believe you call it, from Home Goods, and Nick helped me install it into our bathroom. Rather than trying to find studs in the wall, we decided to actually use these Hercules hooks that we had at home, and they worked out perfectly. What I love most about them is, one, you don't have to worry about putting multiple holes into the wall, and two, you also don't have to worry about dealing with any type of studs or finding them, and it leaves this tiny mark in the wall. So to add a bit of color to the room, because as you can see, it's definitely all about grays and whites and things like that, and I do like to add some color to the room. I am bringing this channel back to the DIY days when I did a whole bunch of them. I will leave them linked down below because they were definitely by far my most popular videos, but I saw this picture, I think it was on Pinterest, and it's from West Elm. Once I saw this decor, I absolutely fell in love, but I did not fall in love with the price. So these are going to run you about $199, and I think that's the lower end of them, and I am not for that. So I decided to recreate the look, and I probably spent no more than $30, and most of it was really the frame that I picked up from Michael's. So I am going to share with you guys how easy it is to recreate this look, and I do want to also show you guys that you don't always have to spend a lot of money to get the same look. So I'm going to share with you guys how I got this look for a lot less. So I bought a bunch of flowers from Michael's, and I literally just ripped the petals off of the stem. I did also get this frameless frame from Michael's as well, and I just went in and spray painted the whole entire frame because white was the color that we were going for in our bathroom. While that was drying, I took one of the glass pieces and put that aside and simply just started putting the flower petals everywhere. I was just trying to get a nice, even display of them, and then I did also start to incorporate some of the greenery as well. Once I was finished, I took the other glass piece and carefully laid that on top, and then I just inserted it back into the frame after it was dry and hung it on the wall. It's that easy, guys. Right underneath the frame, I decided to get some new towels, so I found this plain white one from HomeGoods, and then I also picked up this very light pink and white printed towel, and the brand is Tahari. So I wanted to lay that over on top just to tie in a bit more of the colors. The very last thing to do was to put a new candle in the bathroom because I love making the bathroom smell really, really nice. And I got this one from my FabFitFun box, and it's going to be the number 14 Super Bloom one. It's gorgeous as it sits in this rose gold cup. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of my easy DIY wall decor, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.